Hello everyone, my name is Luke and welcome to Banking Help SA. This is how to create a GoTyme account. Make sure you watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. If your app layout looks slightly different after an update, the steps are still the same. Just follow along and look for the same options. Open the GoTyme app and select Open an Account. Then press Let's Start and agree to the terms and conditions. After that, enter your South African ID number, mobile number through the OTP code sent to your phone, and then enter your email address. The app will then ask you to verify your identity with a selfie. Select Take a Selfie and follow the prompts on your screen. Once the selfie uploads, enter your home address details. Then choose your main source of funds and select how much money you expect to deposit into the account monthly. After that, select your reasons for banking with GoTyme and continue. You'll then confirm your tax residency details and complete the tax declaration section. Now, create your 4-digit login PIN and enter it again to confirm it. After this, your account should be successfully created. And that is it. That's how to create a GoTyme account. If this video helped you, remember to like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Goodbye.